how to sign up for Robinhood or how to create an account on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up for Robinhood. Now you can do so on the Robinhood application on your PC or your phone as well. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application. Now I won't be able to show you due to the security issues. It won't let me to screen record it. It'll turn black. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application, tap on sign up option. There under sign up, it'll ask you for your first name and last name and your phone number. You want to enter it, and once you enter in your phone number along with your country code, it'll send a verification code to your particular phone number and the Gmail as well. And once you have gone through the process, both the phone number and the Gmail verification, it'll ask you to enter in your other details again and then your bank account details. Now if you wish to verify your account immediately, you can simply add in your bank account details and your verification details. However, if you don't want to do so, you can skip the process. In my case, I skipped it, and you can see I have an account but it's not verified, so you can see verified entity showing up here. So this way you can easily sign up for Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.